Let's have a look at how you can enhance your videos with Flixeer. To start, you need to upload your video to Flixeer. To upload a video from your computer, just drag it over to the library area. You can also click on the import button to bring videos over from YouTube, Google Photos, Dropbox, and other online services. Once your video is in your library, double-click on it to add it to the timeline. Then open the Color tab in the right side panel to enhance your video. Here you can apply a sharpness filter to enhance details and make your videos look more crisp. You can also use the vibrance slider to enhance any muted colors in your video and make it look more lively and natural. When editing your video, keep in mind that Flixeer lowers the quality of the preview you see in order to use up less of your computer's resources and keep things running smoothly. You'll have to export your video in order to see the final result in high definition. Back in the Color tab, you'll also find brightness, contrast, and saturation sliders. These can help with brightening up and improving the clarity of dark, washed-out videos. Feel free to experiment with them until you get the best results. When you're done, click on the Export button in the top right corner to render your final video. You can leave everything here the way it is and click on Export and Download. Flixeer will take a couple of minutes to process your video and then it will be saved to your computer.